Hey everybody, it's Linnea for Whimsy Stamps and welcome to the last Friday Frenzy video of the year. It's crazy to think that it's already the end of 2020. Hopefully 2021 brings an awesome year for everybody. So let's start off with my card today. I'm using the Polka Dot Pals Tobias stamp set, but I'm not going to be using it in the traditional way or the way that it was probably intended to be used. I was instantly drawn to this cluster of stars and birthday candles. So I'm going to use that to create a background. I'm using my Misty stamping platform because I just find it's easier to do this, but if you're good with an acrylic block, I'm not, but if you are, it's probably much quicker to do it that way. So all I'm doing is just stamping this image all over my background, kind of turning it, twisting it and turning it so that I don't have the same orientation of the image all over my background. I kind of want it to look a little bit random. I'm going to use just a few Copic markers to color in my background. I have a couple colors of yellow, so I'm using Y06 and Y08 right now. This is one of my favorite yellow combinations. Yellow is my favorite color, so I have a couple of yellow combinations that I stick to. This one is the one that I use for bright stars. So I'm just going over my background with my lighter yellow, the Y06, and then I'm coming in with my darker Y08 for some shadows and blending that out just a little. I am kind of leaving this kind of like a splotchy blend or scratchy blend. I want these stars to look kind of puffy, so I'm not really working hard to blend out the stars. I want to make sure that I have those dark shadows. I'm using RV13 and RV14 on the spiral streamers, and for this I find that these colors are close enough together I can just go right from the dark to the light. Then I'm using G02 and G00 for the confetti pieces as well as for the candles. I want to kind of have the same color scheme throughout this card, so I'm just kind of picking three colors. So the mint green, the pink, and the yellow is what I'll use all through the background. And then once I'm done, you're going to see this whole background all finished. And I did add some shimmer to that, so in the end you'll see the shimmer background. Now I'm grabbing the bookmark and tag dies, and I'm not going to be using this die set as intended either. I'm just cutting out this one present from some mint green cardstock, and I actually grabbed a different stamp set from what I showed in the beginning. I'm grabbing the Birthday Party Dragon stamp set because I absolutely love this font that is in this stamp set. It's very chunky and very handwritten, and I just love it. So I stamped that right in the center with some black ink, and I thought that my little present was kind of getting lost on my background. So I'm going to just adhere this present onto a white piece of cardstock, and then I'll use my scissors just to fussy cut and trim a little white border. So this is just like what you would do if you were cutting out a stamped image. How you would like kind of cut out around the black line, leaving a slight border. I'm doing that with this present die as well, and this is a trick that I use a lot, either with white cardstock or with vellum, for when my focal points aren't standing out enough from my card background. So I added that onto my card with some foam tape, added glitter all over my card, and this card is finished. Thank you all for joining me for this Friday Frenzy video. All the Whimsy Stamps products that I used are listed and linked down below in the video description. Happy shopping! I'll see you soon. Bye!